Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni ugite thengia mathina maria mangigiriria hari gukinyiriria mubango wa kuingiria arutwo othe thukuru cia thekondari. Thirikari ni thiete na mbere na kugacirithia mathukuru maya niguo kuhotithia kuoya arutwo aingi.
To the decision by government and the policy by His Excellency the President that we have 100% transition. We have a requirement in our constitution that every child has a right to education, right? And we want to make sure that we actually comply, with the tenets of our own constitution.
Arutwo othe thukuru-ini cia muingi na iria cia andu kiumbe nimekuona kanya mathukuru-ini ma secondary guku agiteterithia mutaratara wa kuoya arutwo gakorwo na kihoto.
We're happy when they perform well. And of course, where we think that there's a shortfall, right, in the manner in which learning is taking place, we'll continue improving, the training for the teachers. We'll continue encouraging our teachers to just make sure that they do the best for our children.
Na kuri gicanjama kiria kigumeire thukuru wa anake wa starehe, Amina ni eraneirie ati ni mararora ndeto iyo kuona ati ni mamukirite matata kuma kuri kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC hamwe na urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu.
Complaints, and we're addressing them. We're addressing the complaints that they're there. From both sides, by the way, from both sides.
Riu arutwo megukorwo magieterera na hiki kinene o nginyagia mutaratara wa kuoya na uria wirigirirwo kwambiriria mweri ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.